Time don't reach to show valor as you defend your fatherland. Buhari to Cadets. President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn the over 230 young officers wey just graduate from Nigeria Defense Academy, Kaduna make them show the success of the war against terrorism for Northeast to other parts of Nigeria wey get security wahala. President Buhari talk this one for the personal parade of the 69 regular course cadets. President Buhari, wey yarn the officers, say the world dey face plenty security wahala, come still talk say na the best time for the officers to show all the better values when them learn in defense of their fatherland.
You emerge in an era of expanding global security threats. There is no better time to prove your valor and demonstrate the virtues upon which the Academy was founded in the defense of your fatherland. And I trust you to do so with uncompromising dignity and honor.
President Buhari talk say the work of the armed forces na to guide the economic and military capabilities of Nigeria, and government they committed to build the military, and this one join the legacy when them go hand over give the next administration.
Remember that the goal of the terrorists and insurgents is to destroy our reforms. Yours is to safeguard economic and military capability of the nation. Our interventions, and even where we dealt with saboteurs, were designed to prevent the collapse of the economy and revitalize the armed forces. And this is the legacy we are handing over to the next administration.
They come to give prize to cadets when do well. Then decorate the officers with their new rank when be second lieutenant for Nigerian Army, sub-lieutenant for Navy, and pilot officer for Air Force. Nigeria Defense Academy, when get loyalty and valor as the motto, and constantly start operation 58 years ago, done so far graduate 21,140 officers, when include 478 officers from other African countries. Omo Aluke, Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and be your power. No tell them give any politician an election day.